MKX, Milwaukee, whatever. It's not absurdly loud.
The National Weather Service in Milwaukee, Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Lafayette County in south-central Wisconsin, Greene County in south-central Wisconsin, southern Iowa County in south-central Wisconsin, until 11:15 p.m. At 10:37 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from 11 miles east of Fenimore to near Darlington to near Winslow, moving northeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. These storms have a history of producing 50 to 60 miles per hour winds. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Calumet, Lamont, Belmont, Darlington, Broadhead, Rui, Judah, Fayette, Ouida, Yellowstone Lake State Park, London, Baldwin, New Diggings, Argyle, Albany, Gratiot, Platte Mounds, Lead Mine, Monroe, and Benton. Other landmarks included are the following locations: York Memorial Church and Iowa Grand School. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The following is a summary of watches, warnings, and advisories in effect. Rockford and surrounding communities. A red flag warning remains in effect until midnight Saturday.